RJTI charts versus identifying buy signals are easy most times, but it's sell signals that are challenging. A helping hand. You always hear the fund money managers tout, you're in it for the long term, so stay still. But although this is true, does this mean you can't sidestep pain? The problem for most fund money managers is their failure to see when such pain is coming. So when they've been blindsided, punched like they are in the year 2025, you better believe, for the sake of preventing outflows of funds, they lean on the adage, you're in it for the long term. But don't bull markets last on average 18 years, and bear markets on average can last for 17 years? So what you have to do is to have the mind of a Warren Buffett, who does not mind maneuvering when necessary to take some profits. But you know what the problem is with those fund money managers who tout long term? They just don't have the skill set to utilize tactical investment. Why would I want to know that Apple trading at $260 a share and the risk is it's going to drop to $169 a share as it just did in the year 2025 and just hold on to it as opposed to avoiding a 32.4% decline? We get it. One has the right to do as one sees fit, but this is why they don't manage our portfolio, and you should learn how to do it yourself. With RJTI charts algorithms, the task would be very easy since no investment firm gets buy signals on any stocks that we wouldn't be aware of, and we also offer our tools to help you determine buy, hold, sell too. It's just a thought. Is your portfolio suffering in 2025? Are you experiencing 20, 30, 40% drawdowns? Well, if you were following our algorithms, your pain could have possibly been a paper scratch. Why do we say this? We prepared our subscribers for the good and bad times, and so this helps you to know when to ride the bull higher and when to get off of the bull for a little while or to snatch some profits off of the table. Don't believe us? What if you knew that on November the 7th, 2024, to get off of the bull for a while or to hedge your portfolio, or going forward, walk cautiously, or that our algorithms were indicating an event was to unfold? And in this case, it was that a downtrend was coming. At least our mouth would have been opened, unlike your fund money managers. You're in it for the long term. We will give you the tools to manage your portfolio based from our algorithms, and yes, it will cost, but no longer will you have to depend on fund money managers who get your payments, whether you're making money or losing money. If you knew this, November the 7th, 2024 at 8:41 a.m. Central Daylight Time. RJTI charts versus SP 500, NASDAQ, DJ30 versus our algorithms stats. S&P 500 companies, 40% of them are extremely overbought. NASDAQ 100 companies, 35.6% of them are extremely overbought. DJ30 companies, 46.6% are extremely overbought. Does this mean that a further rally can happen? No. But when you have 40%, 35.6%, 46.6% overbought conditions registering from our algorithms, and the market continues to climb, subsequently potentially increasing those percentages, what do you think is going to happen in either event? As hard as it is to not be adding new positions with the bullish sentiment exhibit in the markets, we are just comfortable using such rallies for profit taking. But these are our steps, not yours. Our algorithms are stating that it is absolutely impossible that the markets will not give back some of its gains. And it could be a mild to a severe downturn. Mild equaling 2 to 3,000 points down. Severe equaling 8 to 10,000 points down pullback. There is also a strong case that you will not see the normalization of lower treasury yields until the end of year 2026 unless we get our flight to quality from what lies around the corner. A black swan event lurks, and congratulations to the president-elect. I am not of either party, but what I can tell you is that regardless of this incoming administration, you need to hold on to your hat, for they too will learn how to navigate a mild to severe drop in the stock market. Ms. Harris, losing her bid for presidency, has escaped from learning this lesson. At least this gave you a chance to ponder what to do for your portfolio. Let's look here. DJ30 all-time contract highs is 45,071.29. April 7, 2025 low is 36,611.78. 45,071.29 minus 36,611.78 equals negative 8,459.51 points. I think the results thus far falls within our severe range bracket. But what options did you have knowing what could come around the corner? Maybe avoid some pain? Maybe not have to call your portfolio manager to complain? Try to avoid looking at your account statements? We have someone that can assist you with your portfolio to help you manage it from the algorithms in your hands. It is easy to see the trees that make up the forest, and it's even easier to see the forest that's made up of trees, but it's not so easy to see behind the forest. Get your Ramo today. RJTICHARTS.com, driven by infinite wisdom and its proprietary trading system.